Shares of First Solar gapped higher today after Deutsche Bank upgraded the stock to a buy from hold, citing the company's strong ongoing demand. The firm said First Solar is at an attractive entry point. I disagree. The attractive entry point is roughly $20 lower at the weekly bias level at 163. However, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this quick video to see if we can squeeze out any additional information to help us make a better trading decision.
For more movers this morning, let's welcome in Jeff Pierce, Senior Manager Derivatives Trading at Charles Schwab. Hey there, Jeff. So you're taking a look at First Solar to kick things off. A winner today, up more than 3%. Got a bullish note from Deutsche Bank. What's behind the bullishness?
Yeah, bullish note out of Deutsche Bank. A few bullish notes out there as well from other analysts. We've got them upgrading First Solar to buy from hold with the price target now at 235, up from 220. The company delivered a strong growth message, according to the analysts in their first analyst day that we've seen since 2017. They said that First Solar's core margins will be supported by selling prices and cost reductions, while the overall Inflation Reduction Act credit will add another boost to the numbers. Deutsche Bank said that they walked away from the analyst day with a positive message, and they believe First Solar delivered what investors have been looking for, which is a strong 3-year roadmap with improving numbers and core margins. And obviously, this is a stock. If you look at, year to date, we're up 24 months, 12 months up 24%, 12 months we're up 32%. If we look back 3 years, though, this is a stock that's up almost 200%. So they've been doing fairly well. A little bit of pullback here and there with some of the interest rates making these panels more expensive. But overall, these solar stocks have been getting pushed higher, especially First Solar, I should say, has been getting pushed higher around this Inflation Reduction Act.
Jeff, at what point is the Inflation Reduction Act priced in? Because I feel like a lot of these solar energy stocks have been boosted really since last year, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a different story depending on which company you're looking at, right? If you look at First Solar, they're mainly selling utilities. That has been a boost to their stock price. Enphase, SunPower, those names are mainly focusing on residential. So it depends on where we see that act really, helping out the company. Now, some of these, residential focused companies like SunPower, they're down about 77% over the last 12 months. It's been a rockier ride for them. There's some question of whether or not the sustainability-wise, if consumers are going to continue to invest in solar right now as interest rates continue to be a headwind. But so far, that Reduction Act doesn't seem to be fully priced into the stock. We still see investors applauding what they're seeing these companies do with that money.
So this is the monthly chart, and you can see for the better half of 10 plus shares, price was in a tight sideways range until it broke out last August. And it went as high as 233 within this up channel until price became out of whack with its valuation. So on the move back in April, price collapsed, closed below the uptrend channel, but this was a false breakout. Now, I did plot this weekly bias level prior to this collapse. As you can see, price couldn't get down to the level, so you know that there's definitely buyers down here. So what was the formation? Well, you had a drop in price, 3 basing candles, and look at this volume candle. Look at this volume bar. It doesn't get better than that. Now, momentum has definitely been eliminated. As you can see, price has been sideways for the better half of 3 or 4 months. What we need to see, again, for the better entry, the better attractive entry, is a breakdown from this sideways price action in which support and resistance sellers or in which resistance and support traders are going to short the price, only to be met with buyers again at this weekly buyer level at 163. I love the zone because this green extended range candle took out the pivot high to the left. Again, you have buyers ahead of the zone that push price back up. You have buyers again that are keeping price elevated. But we need to see the sellers take control momentarily in order for price to move down, in order for price to move back up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.